Wow! The birthday! Wow!
Welcome, this is your life.
We have arrived here at Beamish Museum. Open Living Museum siya, guys. Actually, pangalawang beses na namin dito. And, I'm here. Makayla duties. Si Mama, si Mark, at si Macy yung kasama natin. Si Papa na iwan sa bahay. Kasi may appointment. May mangyayari sa bahay. And then, Papa also chose to stay. Dahil nga sa sobrang lawak ng museum na to. It's an open living museum. Yung mga tao dito panood ng ng kagaya na sa lumang panahon yun. So exciting to para kay Mama, kaya dinala namin siya dito. So let's see kung ano meron. At the moment, this is my view. And may hair salon na luma, bakery doon. Ito naman sweets. Ito cinema, fish and chips.
You drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
So,
If I could
hindi ko alam kung anong year na to, tong village na to. There is a pit village at the end. Nag 3 hours na kami dito sa Beamish. Malaki pa talaga siya. Marami pa kami hindi napuntahan. And sayang hindi ko na video pag nagsasakay kami ng bus, pero maybe pa uwi. Today is the 7th of March, and ang plan natin ay tsura ko, hindi pa ako nakapag-ayos. Ang plano natin today, pupunta kami sa farm. So yung farm na to, I'm excited to bring Mama and Papa here kasi may mga animals na hindi makikita sa sa Pilipinas. Kaya hindi na lang matagal sila Mama kasi halos more than 1 month na lang sila dito. So naisip namin na it's time to bring them here. Siyempre pupunta naman kami sa mga castle dahil UK, diba? Pero isa din to sa isang bucket list, kumbaga, para makita nila yung iba-ibang klase ng hayop. Anyway, this is also for the kids, si Macy, para makalabas-labas din naman siya kasi this past few months, dahil na nagkaroon tayo ng bagong baby, very limited lang yung pwede nating mapuntahan. So, samahan nyo kami, okay? Nabisa ko pala yung baby ngayon, kaya hindi nyo nakikita ko ano ginagawa ko. Pero, tara.
Number 1, in the red, Justin Bieber. Number 2,
Justin
in the
Bieber.
blue, Lady Baba.
Lady Baba.
Number 3, in the white, Willy Wonka. And number 4, in the black, Ed Sheeran.
Number 2,
Right,
Lady
we'll
Baba.
be starting in just a few minutes' time. 2, 1. And they're off, and it's a very slow start. And it's Justin Bieber in the lead there, followed by Willy Wonka. Willy Wonka's coming over on the outside. Can you get the lead? Take the lead back in the middle. Right, Sheeran's coming after back there. Come on, Lady Gaga. There we go.
Goma. Daisy!
1 week later.
They have so much fun playing with cupsies one by one. Cupsies, cupsies, ga 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 ga. Cupsies, cupsies, ga 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 ga. Cupsies,
So, it
cupsies,
is
ga, ga,
our
ga, ga. They
fourth-
will fall
fourth-
to
No, third time here.
Cupsies,
Third
also
time
cupsies, and so sweet.
here
That's
in
enough.
Lobster Castle.
So it's touch and green.
Macy's also third
Cupsies,
time.
I appreciate
This time
your
kasama
bag.
namin si Mom.
I want
at
a
saka
dog.
si Makayla. Oh, what will you say?
I'll sing a song.
Okay.
Also coffee accessory. That's enough. Episode touch and green. Here's all the kids on the back. Come to up on the best.
Yeah! Yay!
I want to hear that.
Ticket nila, so adult 15, child 3 to 15 is 10. Okay. Sige, tara. Hey. Okay, we have a break. Kumakain kami ngayon ng ice cream. Ito yung sa akin, Thunder and Lightning. Yung kay Macy's, Death by Chocolate. And Mint Choco Chip kay Mark. So yun, kumain na kami ng bread. Nagbaon lang kami para less gastos. So, sorry, wala kasi ako. Ay, hindi, may stand ako pero mamaya na lang.
We got kids.
It's okay. Yay! Oo. Nagliwan na liwat ako. Marasa iya bagan. Ate, all you're shivering. You know, it's okay to admit defeat and say, I'm weak, mommy. I need jacket. You're still gonna win.
I'm not weak.
You're not weak. But you are shivering. It's okay to say, I'm cold. Come on.
My first time I went to the playground.
It's
And now
not.
I stopped and I cried.
You cried. It's not your first time, though.
Third time.
It's your third time.
Nana's only.
Nana's
Ano,
first.
first
Oh, wow. Pepperoni.
Mm.
You wanna give one slice to daddy?
That's right, so.
Ay, oh, pepperoni pala. Oh, sige, oh.
Mm.
Na may mga din na sila. It's okay.
Dito din yung plan ko sana kanina nga
It's
na
about
magkain
you, Daddy.
tayo.
Mommy, the camera's still on. It's recording.
Yeah, you wanna say something? No? Should I turn it off?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
Mm.
Oh, we've been here for like 3 hours now. Andito na kami sa may Rose Garden at saka Japanese Garden. So we'll check it out. Ayan yung Japanese Garden dito sa kaliwa. Ito naman yung may fountain na nakikita nyo, Rose. Pasensya na kasi wala akong mic right now, nasira. I'm about to buy one but I don't know when. Ayan. Rose garden dapat yan kaso kaka-spring lang. Hindi pa nag-bloom yung mga roses. Oh, dito ma. Yan. Natapos din ang aming pag-iikot. It was fun. We'll come back again. I'm not sure yet, ma.